The reason why your base makeup looks crusty, dusty, or oily and doesn't last throughout the day and separates, it's because you're skipping this major step, skin prep. Now this lineup is very excessive, but let me show you how I prepare my base before applying foundation. And I have every right to talk about this field because I always get told that my makeup looks very smooth. And I have dry skin, so skin prep is already a given for me. If my skin is feeling very dry or I'm using a matte foundation, I will go in a little bit with some serum just to bring in some hydration and glow. I mean, the skin already came back to life. Good moisturizer is key. You want to make sure that it doesn't separate under your foundation, but it also gives you the hydration that you need. The way my skin is already coming back to life, when you apply foundation or any complexion product without prepping your skin actually ends up feeding off the oils and hydrating products that are in your foundation. So that's why a lot of your complexion products don't last as long, because your skin already drank all the stuff that it needs. Also apply some eye cream or just your moisturizer under your eyes as well, because those can get crusty too. I am obsessed with dewy looks, again because I have dry skin, so this Say Super Gel is also one of my favorites for that dewy base. Lastly, some sort of primer. I'm using a pore filling one because I do still get oily in my T-zone and I have some texture here. A good lip treatment. This is from Persona Cosmetics. While you're doing your base, your lips can get nice and hydrated for the time that you're ready to do your lip combo. Now your makeup is going to apply so much smoother on your skin. It's also going to last so much longer and it's going to look and feel like skin. As your makeup bestie, I just couldn't let you be walking around looking dry.